What is going on, guys? Sebastian Esqueda here. I actually just got off of an Instagram live stream with one of my students who went from like 0 to 1,000 bucks a day, I think in like 2 weeks, around there. So I want to explain the exact strategy we actually implemented to get him to that point, because he went from like, his highest day was $70, and we more than 10x that in 2 weeks, and I was able to make him do that very quickly. So I want to again explain exactly how he did that, because it's crazy that I was able to help someone do that. So yeah, we're gonna get into that right now. So things to understand: this person, his name's Idris, he had a budget of, I think he had like a few $1,000s. He was comfortable to spend. So we launched ads on Facebook. I created a website for him, had the product, interests, everything like that. I basically showed him, or no, we came up with interests together. I basically showed him exactly how to test ads though. So basically the strategy that I did was 10 ad sets per day, 1 interest per ad set. If that interest is more, or if the potential reach is more than 5 million, we just narrow by engaged shoppers. That's kind of, I just tested that with him and it worked well. Sometimes I'll do all engaged shoppers, sometimes I'll never do engaged shoppers. I always test. So that's what we did. Day 1, we hit $500 in revenue, I think, and his ad spend was like a little under 250 bucks. So his ROAS was 2 overall, day 1. With cold testing. So after that, it kind of like fizzled out. He got up to like 3, I think his third day was like $300, because ads optimized and the ads figured out that some of the interests that we were running with did not work properly. And so what happened was then, once we got to that point, we had to duplicate the winners, duplicate the ad sets that were winning, and kind of just wait it out until he got to a certain amount of orders, which is, you have to collect data and have your ads optimized. After 100 orders, you can create lookalike audiences for purchase. So you still have to wait to that point no matter what. But what we were able to do is we were able to just wait until the ads have like 3 to 5 purchases per ad set. And then what you can do, which is exactly what I talk about all the time, is you can just break down an ad set and narrow by whatever, like gender, age, country, time of day, all of this stuff. And that's literally what we were able to do, just because we waited it out and had the ad sets collect data. It's a big issue when you try to scale by day 2 and you have no data on your ad sets. Now obviously if you launched your ad sets at like, or your ads at like $100 a day, you can collect data quickly. But if you don't have the budget, you have to wait it out, which is completely fine. So after that, what we basically started doing was just, again, narrowing down, breaking down, duplicating, and rinsing and repeating. Now we're at the point where he's doing CBOs. I taught him how to do CBOs. I just basically said, like, take your winning interests, put them into a CBO, or take your winning ad sets, put them into a CBO, put this budget, and run it up, and hopefully they'll perform well. I was super confident that they would, and they are doing just that. So yeah, that's awesome that I'm able to help him get to that point. But to say the least, like, this is not, dropshipping itself is not something where you have to know a crazy amount. You kind of just need to learn the right things quickly and then take action as fast as possible. I think the biggest thing with dropshipping and any online business is, like, I don't know if dropshipping is going to work next month. Like, obviously I know the business model of dropshipping is going to work, but something huge could change. Shopify could go down. Something big could happen to where your income stream is dead. Like, I had last month I did 100K with a store, and then the Instagram deleted my Instagram page for that store, which is how we created the revenue. So then we went from 100K to like a few $1,000s this month, because we can't run ads for our page or anything like that, which sucks. So now I had to pivot and move to another store. Now I'm running that one up. We're gonna be at probably like, I don't know, that one did like 900 bucks a day ago or something like that, so it's doing decent. But obviously it's not scaled to what we had our last store scaled to, which was like 10K a day, but we will get there slowly and surely, because it's kind of like a refined strategy at this point. But yeah, I mean, as far as becoming a beginner and going from a beginner to $1,000 a day, all you really have to do is just have the dedication and willingness to, I guess, learn and just go hard with stuff, even if you are uncertain. I guess veering into uncertainty is completely fine. I didn't know exactly what to do with Facebook ads a few months ago. Now I do, and I wouldn't have gotten here if I was scared and was waiting for everything to be perfect. I kind of just I had a moment where I was like, okay, if I want to learn, I just need to go out and just do it. So I like called some people. I was like, yo, how are you running your ad? Like, literally some of my friends I called and I was like, yo, how are you running your ads? What, you know, can we run up a store together? I'll front the money. I just want to see like what you're doing. And then like they were fine with that. And then from there I was like, okay, that's what you're doing. And then I ran up my own stores. Boom. Now I'm like to where we are right now. And if I'm being honest, I'm not gonna lie and say like I just did it with hard work and dedication, like, because obviously I did grind, but I learned from other people. You have to, in a sense. Like, I'm not saying that because I'm trying to sell you on anything. I'm just saying that because it's true. I learned from people, and that's kind of what it takes. Why would you replicate a wheel if a wheel's already been created? Like, just or why would you recreate a wheel if the wheel's already been created? Like, just learn from someone and then do what they do, and you should have a similar results. But that's gonna wrap up this video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. I'm gonna go, I don't know what I'm gonna go do. I'm gonna go hang out with someone and maybe get some food or something like that. But yeah, other than that, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did make it to the end, be sure to drop a comment below if you have any questions. And if you are a fan of mine, smash that like button, because it helps me understand that you guys are enjoying this content, because I'm dropping videos every single day. Again, I moved to Arizona, and like I'm in an environment where I can post every single day now, which is awesome. But yeah, if you guys have, again, any questions, drop those in the comment section below. Do subscribe if you have not already. But other than that, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Hope you enjoyed. Again, this was a shorter video. Hope you guys don't mind, but I was very busy today. So other than that, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.